Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate voice isolation on your iPhone running iOS 18. The feature is a game changer for making your voice crystal clear during calls, even in noisy environments. First, let's understand what voice isolation is. It's a feature that uses advanced algorithms to minimize background noise, ensuring your voice stands out during calls. Whether you are in a bustling cafe or a windy park, voice isolation helps your voice come through loud and clear. So now let's enable it. First, start a call using your preferred app. This could be the phone app, FaceTime, or a supported third-party app. During the call, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. At the top of the control center, you will see mic mode option. Tap on it, you will see three options: standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Tap on voice isolation. And that's it. You have enabled voice isolation. Your iPhone will now focus on your voice and reduce ambient noise, making your conversations clearer for the person on the other hand. Remember, this settings is activated for the app you are using until you change it. So if you switch apps or wants to revert to the standard mic mode, just follow the same steps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks and tips. Thanks for watching.